Once you've drained the prep fluid from the system, you simply fill it with EVANS waterless engine coolant. Either our Power Sport, High Performance or Heavy Duty grade, depending on the application. Straight out of the bottle, no mixing to the recommended coolant capacity. Don't fill it right to the top. Leave a little bit of room just for a bit of thermal expansion, and that will ensure that the system isn't under pressure.
Okay, so as you can see, the temperature's running at about 90 degrees, and unlike normal coolant or water, that would have blown its stack by now. There's no pressure there whatsoever. Our aim is to get it available through all the rare spares stores and try and really penetrate the restoration and older car market with it.
Rare Spares has got a great reputation in finding those hard to get spare parts for any restoration project. Anyone that's restoring a car, getting their parts from Rare Spares, can pick up their waterless engine coolant at the same time and ensure that those parts are preserved for the lifetime of the engine. No corrosion, no pressure, no overheating, and definitely no problems.